Okay, what are you doing, Maha? What is this?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Okay, who is going to tell me how many colors are there in a rainbow?
7 colors in a rainbow.
Which color? Can you name the colors?
Yes. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, green.
What are you pasting, playgroup?
Clouds.
You are pasting clouds.
Clouds.
How many colors are there in a rainbow?
7 colors in a rainbow.
Which colors? Which colors, Maha?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink.
Maha, what are you pasting, Maha?
Red cloud.
You are pasting clouds.
Yes.
Sarah, which color are you pasting?
Green.
Munasa, which color are you pasting?
Blue.
Blue, okay. Rubaisha, which color are you pasting?
Orange.
Orange, okay, very good. Okay, playgroup. What are you making?
Rainbow. Rainbow.
Okay, tell me how many colors are there in a rainbow?
7 colors in a rainbow.
Very well done. Can you name the colors? Which colors?
Red, orange, yellow, green. Red, orange, yellow.
Blue, purple.
Blue, purple.
Okay, Sudesh. Now, which color you are pasting, Sudesh?
Ma'am, ये लगाओ. Purple.
Okay, which color is this?
Purple.